1,000. No, we want to play party.
Yeah. It's been on 900 for so long.
It's been on 900 for so long, guys. Leave it there now. Okay. Freedom Staker, guys.
Yeah.
Hi there, guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Silver Fanatic. Okay, guys, today's video,
It's another giveaway.
It's another giveaway, guys. Okay. It's not means that we have forgotten about the one for 400 subscribers.
The marathon one.
The marathon. Yeah, it doesn't mean that we have forgotten about the 400 subscribers. We're still on that one, the marathon, guys.
For 400.
For 400.
Yeah.
Okay, if you haven't seen it, we're gonna leave a link on the description below for that video. Yes, guys. Simple likes, publicly subscribe, like and comment on that video in order to be entered to it. Okay, guys. This is a different giveaway, guys. Okay. Today's video, it's a giveaway, to bring the community together, guys. That is our giveaway for today, just to bring the community together. Okay,
be united
and be united as YouTube is united, guys. And we are not competing. We are also united, guys. No, don't see us as competing to one another, guys, because we're all striving for one thing, to be stakers and to prepare for the future. Okay, guys. So as YouTube is united, we also need to be united as well. Okay, today's giveaway is just about that. First, I would like to give a shout out
to
Freedom Staker, guys. Okay, I'll leave it there now. Okay, Freedom Staker, guys. Awesome channel, guys. It's been around the community
for so long.
For very long time, guys. We really love the channel. Very educational, guys. It has a variety of things going on. He saves, he stack,
you got a system to save.
He has a system to save as well. He has a variety going on there, guys. A lot of things, guys, and a lot of constitutional coins, guys. The 90%, the gold, silver. A lot is going on, guys. I'll advise to just go over
and look at it
and subscribe.
Yes, that's true.
And enjoy all that content, guys.
It's been on 900 for so long.
It's been on 900 for so long, guys. Just help him out, guys. Let's get him there to that 1,000, because I think he wants to go to the 1,000
magic number.
That magic number, guys. Okay. For us, I know we want to play party. 1,000. No, we want to play party. We are stakers, hashtag collectors. So we need the play party
to collect
10,000. Yeah, we need 10,000 subscribers. Yeah, that was a joke. Yeah. Okay, guys, back to our giveaway for today.
2 years on this one. Maybe it won't be a joke after a few years.
Yeah, a couple of years. 20, 10 years, 15, somewhere there. Okay. Today's giveaway, guys, it's this Kangaroo 2021, guys.
49 is fine.
49 is fine. This is a giveaway, guys. All right. This one.
Our special nines.
Our special nines. Yeah. No, all nines are there, guys.
Yeah.
All nines are there. Not even one that's missing. Okay, and our commemorative coins. These coins, guys, are hard to get. That's what I've noticed. Most people are collecting them now. Yeah, they are really collecting them. So this is part of the giveaway, and it's part of the first giveaway that we did, the 400 subscriber. Okay, and our channel stick, this awesomeness. This awesomeness, guys. Okay, it's part of the giveaway, guys. The rules are simple, guys.
Like, publicly subscribe.
Yes, and
drop your advice on the
comment, guys, section. Just drop your advice on how we can grow and be united and be one community, guys. Okay, and just add maybe on how you can be able to grow your YouTube channel. Yes, guys, because I think that will be educational for
someone,
most stackers. Yes, especially the new stackers. I never thought I would be saying a new stack.
Not so long ago.
Hey, not so long ago, I was a new stack. I never thought I would be saying that. Yeah, times fly, times really fly, guys. Okay, I never thought I'd be saying that, but I am saying it for the new stackers.
Okay. We're gonna pick the winner.
The winner will be picked with
the spin wheel.
With the spin wheel, guys. We're gonna use a spin wheel this time because for the first one it's gonna be a random YouTube picker. So we do it different. For this one will be a spin. Okay, a spin off, guys. And
it can be tomorrow, the winner.
Yeah, it can be tomorrow, it can be anytime. But definitely soon. Okay, this one won't be waiting for subscribers and all that, guys. It's just bring a community together, guys. Just for that. Okay, I would like to thank our subscribers, guys. Our subscribers, we would like to say thank you.
It means a lot.
Yes, guys. Okay, and if you reach to this far this far, he always says that if you have reached this far to the video, I don't know what you're waiting for. That's Silver Oceans. He always says that. I don't know what you're waiting for. Just subscribe, guys. Okay. All right, guys. Today's video is just about that. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.